glad to welcome you today at our shooting range, and today we will check out technical specifications of Kozak FC airgun, and we will try to go beyond them. Today we have really lots to do, so let's start, guys. Well, for today's shooting we've installed this rifle on bipods and we've equipped it with optic scope with 10x fixed magnification. And today we will fill the air cylinder using this hand pump, but our team will help me with this. We have already got this rifle sighted in at 10 meters distance, and now we will just check it with you together. So we have loaded our magazine and we'll make just 5 shots. Let's begin. Другой. Третій туди ж. Четвертий. І п'ятий. So, well guys, our zeroing is well enough and we're going to move to our next task. Well, using a laser rangefinder to be as accurate as possible, we have set our target at 30 meters range and we are going to check the rifle's accuracy. 10 pellets should match a circle at 3 centimeters diameter. Well, it's obviously our group is allocated 2 mils higher than my target point, so now I will make related corrections to my scope and we will try to put down 2 pellets right in the center of our circle. Чётенько. 2 pellets have matched almost the center of our target. Well guys, as we've promised you, our control group must not exceed 3 centimeters at 30 meters distance range. So let's check it out. Between the furthest points we have 2 centimeters and 3 millimeters. I think this result is well enough to be sure in accuracy of this rifle. Here we have 2 pellets which have matched almost the center of the circle after we have made corrections by 2 mils down. Well, what's next? We will try 50 meters range. And by the way, today we shot GSB exact monster pellets. The weight of one piece is 13.43 grain, and I hope it's enough to complete all our challenges for today. Well guys, it's 50 meters range. The scope adjustments are the same as we made for 30 meters range. Let's try and check the rifle adjustments for this distance. Well, let's check out our result from 50 meters range. Here we have the first group, it's below my targeting point. After this we've made corrections by 15 clicks upwards, and the first match after we've made the correction is right near the point target. And here are another 4 shots, not so far away from our best result. And here we see we still match requirements to this rifle accuracy as set for 30 meters range, but we have shot from 50 meters range. This target is for 100 meters challenge. Let's go! Well guys, now we have 100 meters challenge for this Kozak FC. We have loaded 12 pellets and we will try to match the target, but please note that now the rifle scope is adjusted as it was for 15 meters. Let's try, we'll do it. Well guys, the first shot was obviously 2 mils below my target point, and I've adjusted the scope and made 5 more shots. Let's go and see. I hope that all 5 are nearby the target point. Well guys, what do we have here? We see the group size is significantly larger than we had at 50 meters range. If to be more accurate, it is 7 centimeters between the furthest points. Well guys, this rifle could be used for shooting for much longer distances as are common for PCP rifles, but such shooting requires much more training. Know this, be precise. Kozak FC is a great rifle for fun, and you could easily exceed its limits if you will train hard. That's all for now. See you soon. Bye guys.